The productive mechanism. By productive mechanism, we mean the mechanism or the system which determines the production of various goods and services in the economy. By production, we mean the process of creating the various goods and services which are consumed by the people of the country. Factors of production are land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. Land. By land, we mean the surface of the earth, but in economics, land is defined to include not only the surface of the earth, but also the gifts of the nature which helps in production process. Characteristics of land. Supply of land is fixed. Production of land is costless. Land is immobile. Land is heterogeneous, and land has alternative uses. Factors affecting the productivity of the land. Natural fertility of the land. The most important determinants of the productivity of land is, of course, its inherent fertility. Some plots of land are naturally more fertile and yield a greater amount of output than others. Scientific way of cultivation using improved technology of land also depends upon the scientific process of cultivation. If the farmer uses a high yielding variety of seeds, adequate amount of chemical or biofertilizers, pesticides, improved agriculture implements such as power trailers or tractors, etc., then yielding of crops per hectare can be increased to a great extent. Social conditions. If the social conditions are such that the maximum people do not easily accept the new mode of cultivation, then it's become difficult to increase the productivity of land in that country. Labor. By labor, we mean the capacity to extend the physical or the mental effort for the purpose of producing goods or services to earn income. The physical exertion of non-human animals is not called labor. Characteristics of labor. Labor cannot be separated from the laborer. Labor cannot be accumulated. Human labor carries an element of judgment. Labor is mobile. Labor has alternative uses. Labor generates income. Reason for low efficiency of labor in India. Poverty. People are poor because they are inefficient, that is, their productivity is low, so their wage rate, and they are inefficient because they are poor and cannot afford nourishment, the education, and the training required for high level of efficiency. Low rate of literacy. The lack of general education among the workers is also the reason behind the low level of efficiency of workers. The ability to benefit from training programs often requires a minimum level of general education. Unemployment problem. The severity of unemployment problem also a reason causing a low level of efficiency of Indian workers. This is because an increase in efficiency often requires a special training which is costly. Workers do not feel urged to incur this cost in the absence of guarantee that after going through the training they will find employment. Capital. Capital essentially is produced means of production. There are two important points in this short definition. Firstly, it is produced, that is, it is produced by the man, possibly with the help of natural resources, and is not a gift of a nature. Secondly, it is a means of production, that is, it is used as an input in producing other goods. It is not directly consumed. Thus, different types of machines, raw materials, buses, trucks, railway engines, ships, etc. are the example of capital. Characteristics of capital. Capital is the mixed result of past labor. Capital is productive. Capital is the result of past saving. Use of capital generates the possibility of earning income in future. Capital depreciates if it is used again and again. Supply of capital varies over time. Production of capitals involves some cost. Need for capital formation. Capital and efficiency of labor. If the workers are supplied with the modern machines and improved varieties of implement, their efficiency can be improved to a great extent possible with the introduction of heavy machineries in the production process. Capital and division of labor. With the help of capital, the whole production process can be divided into small parts and the workers may be entrusted with the duty for carrying out small segments of the whole production process. Capital and economic infrastructure. In building up and in expanding the social economic infrastructure of a country, that is transportation and communication, health facilities, etc., capital plays an important role. Enterprise. An entrepreneur is a person who carries the risk of business and coordinates the activity of all the other factors of production. Qualities of entrepreneur: organizational abilities, attitude of risk taking, prudent decision making ability, innovative ability, negotiation skill. Role of entrepreneurs in economic development. New innovation and industrialization. Innovation means the creation of new products in accordance with the changing preference pattern of the consumers both in domestic and foreign markets. These innovations are essential for the industrial development in a country. The innovative ideas of Jamshedji Tata played the most crucial role in expansion of iron and steel industry in India, generating competitive strength in an industry and higher export income. The ability to make appropriate decisions and undertake new innovations by the entrepreneurs. As a result, those industries can easily compete their rivals in the world market. This leads to an increase in the export income of a country. This also increases the economic strength of a country. Thanks for watching my presentation.